G'day viewers. Well, I decided to pull out two of my wall exhaust fans. On the left we have a Lenco wall exhaust fan, and on the right we have a Mistral brick wall, a vintage one. So we're going to start off with the Lenco here. This one I got out of the dumpster. As you can see, there's a bit of a crack in the cover. I had to blue tack the sides because this fan vibrates. There's the back grill for it, which is pending cleaning. White blades, of course. Alright, so let's demonstrate it, shall we? Not too bad. I'll turn it off now. Like I said, this thing's a little bit out of balance, so it does vibrate quite a bit, which is probably why it was replaced. Right, moving on to the Mistral. This one I got off Gumtree. Lachlan Potts helped me to get it. So thank you, Lachlan Potts. Lachlan Potts is a good friend of mine. This one is vintage. It's made by Mistral. It's got the louvers, twin pull cord as well. There's the back of it. You can see, back register. Alright, so pull this cord and watch this. You see? Louvers open because it's got like a little tab that presses on the button. When you shut the louvers, turns off the fan. Right viewers, so that was a quick video on my Lenco wall exhaust fan and Mistral. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching.